How to labeling your thought session. Just find a comfortable place where you can stay for a little while. We're gonna practice a new tool of mindfulness as labeling your thoughts. Our aim is to select those thoughts which are not serving you well any longer and increase good and healthy thoughts instead. This practice will help you to realize what are you thinking each day. We're creating our own life including our thoughts. So why not to choose to have happier life with positive thoughts? Sit back and let's start it. First of all, close your beautiful eyes and take a couple of big deep breaths. Inhale it with your nose and exhale it with your mouth. Let's try one together. Inhale and exhale. Another one. Inhale and exhale. The last one. And exhale. Now I want you to allow your mind to wander around. Let's bring up all those thoughts what you had during the day, or including your last week, your month, what keep coming back to you. Just allow them to come back right now. We're gonna explore them. We're gonna sense them and labeling them. Most of the time we're thinking about stuff which are not serving us very well. This might hurt us, or is some pain occurs when we're thinking about that, or we just remembering when someone might hurted us or said something but it was really mean and painful for the moment, or somebody presence is just we cannot cope with that. We don't like that person to be around, and we feel like we're trapped. That person is drain us, our energy, our vibes completely. So we're gonna replace that one with good and positive and healthy thoughts and emotions with. But first of all, allow yourself for a couple of minutes to bring up all your personal thoughts, what you have during the day. Nobody else can know about it, just you. Normal days we don't even allowing ourselves to say the truth for other people or even to ourselves because we're scared about how we're gonna be judged, which is completely normal. But right now in this place, you are alone. You can bring up without any shame, any regret, all your thoughts what you have during each day. Just allow yourself to bring up. Don't forget to breathe meanwhile you're practicing that. Now I want you to ask something, please. If you're allowing yourself to think negatively about yourself or about that person who is bothering you or bringing you unpleasant emotions to your life, is that actually worth it? You and me and everybody knows about that. We're not staying here forever. And our time is the most precious what we can have. So, what is the point of that we allowing other people, thoughts, mind, emotions, things what they done to us, it just keep come back to our days, and during the day it's just there, is bothering us, hurting us. What's the point of that? If a person once hurted you, Let it go. And it's your choice to allow it to come back to you or not. It's your choice to keep hurting you because of that or not. So try now as your thoughts flowing as like a cloud. Just come and go, and when they go in these negative thoughts and emotions and memories, just say bye to them. Whenever coming up a good memory or thoughts, just let them close to you, embrace it, allow it to come near to your heart, and keep recalling those things. So let's have this exercise as like whenever a negative thought will occur, you say bye to them as they don't serving you any longer. And instead of that, bring up a good memory or a good thought. I know it sounds like a little bit hard because it's a mindset. We're creating a new style and kind of thinking, but it's gonna serve you very well in the future. Few days later, you're gonna feel completely differently and you're gonna find yourself like, wow, my thoughts are cleared. I'm feeling more eased. Like all the negative things just get out from my mind, from my body, from my thoughts. It feels so released. I'm relieved. I am harmonized. I am relaxed. And I wish for all of you to have this experience and lifestyle, because this is what you can have if you keep using mindfulness sessions, which I'm so happy and proud to bring it for you, because it's really truly helping. But for that, we have to keep training and learning and practicing. But now let's get back to it. Bring another bad memory or a person which is really bothering you or feeling you uncomfortable. Now raise your hand and say bye to that. That person don't need to be any longer in your life or bothering you. Now bring up a good memory and keep that near to your heart. Well done, guys. That was our today's session. Thank you for being here, and I will see you very soon.